Hey everyone, are you struggling with anxiety? It can be really tough to deal with, but the good news is that there are natural remedies that can help you. In this video, we will be talking about some easy and extremely effective ways to reduce anxiety and feel better faster. So, what are some natural remedies for anxiety? One of the best things you can do is to incorporate more relaxation techniques into your daily routine. This could be things like deep breathing, exercises, meditation, or even just taking a few minutes to sit outside and enjoy the nature. Another great option is to try incorporating more physical activity into your life. Exercise has been shown to have a huge impact on anxiety symptoms, so even just going out for a walk or doing some yoga can make a big difference. Another natural remedy for anxiety is to make sure you're getting enough nighttime sleep. Lack of sleep can increase anxiety levels, so it's important to prioritize getting a good night's rest. This could mean establishing a consistent bedtime routine, creating a relaxing sleep environment, or trying relaxation techniques before bed. Another tip is to try using essential oils. Some oils like lavender and chamomile have calming properties that can help reduce anxiety symptoms. You can try diffusing them in your own home or adding a few drops to your bath. Finally, it's important to remember that a healthy diet can also play a vital role in reducing anxiety. Try to incorporate more fruits, vegetables, and whole grains into your meals and limit your intake of processed foods and sugary drinks. So, there you have it, some natural remedies for anxiety that you can try today. Remember, it's important to be patient and consistent with these techniques as they may not provide immediate relief. But with time and practice, you should start to see a significant improvement in your anxiety symptoms. Thanks for watching, guys. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more great tips and tricks. Until next time, take care, bye!